So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you guys can keep your computer science fire burning. Last video I made very long time ago. It was on Chat GPT, and I made it solve some engineering questions. So if you guys are interested in it, you can click the I button. Talking about Chat GPT, I have also made something very interesting out of it. I have used OpenAI's DaVinci model in order to make a Discord bot, for which I have written a blog. So if you guys are interested in making some cool stuff and learning something new, then you guys can check my hash node. I will provide link to it in the description. So also I am thinking of making a video on how to make a Discord bot, but I don't know when that video I will shoot. So for now there is blog. In future there might be a video. So if you guys are eager to learn something, then you guys can read the blog. It is very simple. I have written each and everything. I have explained each and every function that I have used. So coming back to the main topic of today's video, that is how we can keep our computer science fire burning.
And I came up from nothing, just imagine that. Now I got my own, just imagine that. Try to take it from me, I ain't got it back. I lost day ones, just imagine that.
See, as a computer science student, we might encounter very tough things like learning a new language, learning a new framework, continuing with data structures and algorithms, but how to be consistent. Consistency is a very important factor in order to learn something. So there is a pretty common and famous challenge in the community, that is hashtag 100 days of code challenge. So the first point of this video is hashtag 100 days of code.
But I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy.
So what exactly this challenge is? Talking about this challenge, the main idea is that we learn something, then we code it, and then we post what we have learned on Twitter. And we have to do this thing for a span of 100 days. So this challenge focuses on consistency. As we are posting something new, we are learning something new, posting it on Twitter, we are being consistent for straight 100 days. It might sound less, but in 100 days we can learn pretty much. I am repeating myself. So the thing 100 days of code challenge is about, it is not just about coding and posting it. It gives us the opportunity to interact with other developers. Either that developer is a newbie like us, or he is a pro. So in Twitter, first of all, you need a Twitter account in order to follow hashtag 100 days of code challenge. Many fellows do that in LinkedIn, but I hardly recommend LinkedIn, because in Twitter we get opportunity to connect with more people, as in LinkedIn, because LinkedIn just focuses on jobs. Although there are many pages in LinkedIn that provide quality content, but I recommend you guys to follow this challenge on Twitter. So if you guys are not on Twitter, then you should make an account today, and you guys can follow me also on Twitter. Link will be in the description. So coming back to the topic, that we get a chance to connect with other developers. Now, networking is pretty important thing, because we get to know what others are doing. See, there is a pretty common question that what domain we should enter, in what domain we should enter. And many of us struggle in finding that answer. So rather to watch something on YouTube and then spend time in exploring it, although exploring is good, we are gonna be exploring new things. If you guys don't know me, I should have introduced me at the very starting of the video, but I am Dhruv, and I am currently a first year engineering student at Chitkara University. Now coming back to the topic, we were on how to explore things, right? So in order to explore things, one of the best thing is search hashtag 100 days of code challenge and see what others are doing. So let me take you to my laptop screen, what exactly the tweets are like for hashtag 100 days of code challenge. So I am on my laptop and I have opened Twitter, and what we guys need to do is we will search hashtag 100 days of code. And when we do hashtag 100 days of code, we will find many tweets of what other developers are doing and what they have learned today. So moving on to hashtag 100 days of code, we will read. What we will do is we will just read the things that other developers are doing. So what we will do is search hashtag 100 days of code, and let's see what this fellow is doing. He is saying that day 10 of hashtag 100 days of code and completed my Grocery app with Swift UI. Swift UI, if you guys don't know Swift UI, then following hashtag 100 days of code, when you are following hashtag 100 days of code, there are many things that you might have no idea about which other people are doing, and what you can do, what should be the next step is to search that thing on Google. So let me explain what Swift is. Swift is a tech stack that you guys need in order to build iOS apps, right? It works on Mac OS. So if you guys are interested in making iOS apps, then you guys can connect with him. And in order to connect on Twitter, you guys can drop a comment, you guys can quote a tweet, or you guys can direct message him also. So moving on. See, so this fellow is saying that day 21 of hashtag 100 days of code, sign up page for my next project. So basically he is using React.js and Framer Motion. So you guys also get to know what React.js is, what Framer Motion is. Basically he is doing web development. So if anyone of you having interest in web development can connect with him. So basically this hashtag 100 days of code also helps you to find various things that other people are doing, and helps you to connect with them. See, as we are searching hashtag 100 days of code challenge, we are getting many Twitter handles. Many people are doing, so when they will search hashtag 100 days of code challenge, maybe you might come in the list, and they will themselves try to connect with you. Pretty cool, right? So what hashtag, how to tweet hashtag 100 days of code? Let me take you to my profile and show you how I tweet. So this is my Twitter account, right? And I tweet like this: day 32 of hashtag 100 days of code, learned about objects and function variables. Day 31 of hashtag 100 days of code, today learned about how to merge two data frames. So I post, I in my tweet, I try to explain, I try to give pretty much everything what I learned today. Pretty interesting, right? So this was about hashtag 100 days of code challenge. Now we will talk about another thing that we can use, or we can do basically, in order to keep our computer science fire burning.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah.
So moving on to the next thing, that is we will write blogs. So blogging is pretty interesting when you guys start doing it. In order to blog, you guys, what you guys need, in order to blog, you just need an account on a blogging platform without investing anything. What the main idea of the blog is, that we will try to educate other people who are also new to us. If we have made something, let's say we have made a project, and if we want to help others making a project, then we can write a blog on it. Let's say we just started our college and we want to share our experiences as a computer science student, then we can make a blog on it. So what blogging is? Blogging is pretty much everything. You can share your experiences, you can share your learnings, and you can ask advice by writing a blog. You can ask people, you can tell people what should their next step be, right? So blogging, right? So what I recommend and what I am currently doing right now, I am also writing blogs. I have said that in the starting of the video. Link will be in the description to my Hashnode blogs. What we guys can do, we guys can make an account on Hashnode. If you guys are interested in writing stuff, then you should follow the blogging challenge also. It is not a challenge like we are doing hashtag 100 days of code. It is simply that you guys get to share what you guys are learning in a more comprehensive way, right? So talking about blogging, you can write a blog on pretty much anything you like. There are no restrictions, but that should be on track. So what exactly Hashnode is? Hashnode is a blogging platform for developers where developers write blog. It is a pretty nice place to learn and to get resources, right? And you guys can connect with developers also by following that person on social media. Let's move to the Hashnode, and let me show you guys what blogs I have written till date. Many I will be posting soon. So in order to stay tuned, you can also make an account on Hashnode and follow me. So let me take you to the screen and show you guys what blogging is about. And let me give you an examples. If you're thinking that you are new to this tech, I am also new and I have started blogging. So there is no restriction, there is no level thing in tech. Everybody is new in something. So let's move to the blog. Here I am again on my laptop screen, and I will search dhruvsood.hashnode.dev, and let's see what blogs I have written personally. So these are the blogs that I have written till date. I have written why computer science is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you are gonna get. This blog is about how computer science is different from our childhood expectations. I have also created a blog on how to create an AI Discord bot, which I was talking about at the very beginning of this video, right? This blog is about my learning journey of 2022, and I have made many more blogs. These blogs, what is Git for beginners, I have explained what Git is basically for and from where we can learn Git, right? And navigating the challenges of college level computer science. In this blog, in navigating the challenges, I have shared some problems that you guys might encounter when you are in the very first year, in the very first semester of computer science. This blog, Consistency is the Key, is about from where I learned C and C++. So this is what blogging is. You guys can write a blog from today, and writing a blog will help you revise the things that you have learned, and it will also support the community as you guys will be providing quality content to it, and someone in the world might be able to get a huge benefit from the learnings that you share, right? So in this video I have discussed about two things. That number one is we can follow hashtag 100 days of code, and number two, we can start writing blogs. So hope you guys found this video helpful. I will making some new videos in the future, but I can't promise that I will post more frequently because I'm pretty lazy, right? I believe that first I should have deep knowledge about something, then speak about it, right? So in order to develop deep knowledge, I need time. I am discovering things, and when I will discover new interesting things, I will post it on my channel. Also, I will be sharing my journey, what things I am doing on my Twitter, and I will be writing cool blogs, and I will be connected with you guys. So if you guys want to connect with me, you can drop a follow on Twitter, and you can follow me on Hashnode, and we can have a pretty nice conversation on what we both should do next in order to gain some knowledge, right? So see you guys soon in the next video. Bye.
All I need are some better days, 'cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay.